Hey guys, in this video we're going to find the area of this trapezoid. So the easiest way to do this is to cut it off. So then we have A, we have B, and we have C. Again, my suggestion is making sure, excuse me, that you label your parts because that will really help you. So we're going to start with A. And if you see, that is this rectangle here in the middle. So that is going to be 8 times 5, which gives us 40. And then now let's do B. So think about the 8 is this middle part. 18 is all the way across. So 18 minus 8 gives us 10, and then you need to split it between the two sides. So for B, again, that's the biggest part people forget. So you're going to do your base and your height. Remember, this is your right angle, so we've got our base and our height. So it's going to be 5 times 5 and then divided by 2. So we get 25 divided by 2 gives us 12.5. And then for C is going to be the same thing. 5 times 5 divided by 2. We're going to add them all together. Watch that decimal. Plus the 40 gives us a total of 65 feet squared. And remember, it's area, so it's going to be feet squared. So on your paper, do the trapezoids that's at the bottom, and then go ahead and do the 2 trapezoids on the back that say ticket out the door. And then go ahead and check the key. I want you to do all 3 of those trapezoids and then check the key. The biggest thing people forget is that the base of those triangles. So make sure you subtract the middle part and then divide it between the 2 sides. Go ahead and do those other problems and then check the key.